Hi, it's Angeline here. Today's video is heavily inspired by Kelly Latevola's video. I'm gonna link her video down below so you can check it out. And I'm gonna do some rainbow oxide hearts today on my card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this Emerson Girl by Unity stamp with some Copic markers. And I've already stamped the hearts across on my watercolor cardstock, and I'm grabbing some Distress Oxide inks here in some rainbow colors to create my rainbow. So I'm going to smoosh the ink pads onto my craft mat. I'm starting off with Pink Raspberry and then Carved Pumpkin. Next, I'm grabbing Squeezed Lemonade, then Twisted Citron, and Peacock Feathers is going to be the next one. And I'm grabbing the Salty Ocean, and lastly the Wilted Violet. So I'm grabbing a water brush here. You could always use a normal brush with water. And I'm just placing some water onto the cardstock first so that it will blend easier. And I'm also spritzing some water directly onto the colors to add more water to it. So if you don't have all the oxide colors, don't worry, you can always grab only the primary colors and mix the colors on your own. But because I'm kind of a Tim Holtz fan, so I have all his inks and I'm just grabbing all the colors that I have. I'm just going back here with more colors and adding more intensity to each of the color to make it more vibrant here. So here is my finished card. I hope you are inspired and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!